yeah. Hi, welcome to Neva Peppa's World, and today I'm gonna give baby Chicken Pickle a bath. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna get her undressed, and then I will get started. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see, but I'm getting her undressed. Okay, she's undressed. Now, first, I'm going to lay her down and get the water warm. Okay, the water's warm, and I'm going to take this cloth and wet it. It's warm and wet, and then I'm just going to pat her. Hello. And she's really dirty because she's been playing with her brothers and sisters for a very long time, and she never really did get a bath. So she really is dirty. I'm gonna clean her little hands. And then her face. So, yeah. Now, I'm going to get a towel and roll her up in the towel. So as you can see me again, but I'm doing it. Hey, baby Chicken Pickle, you need to get wrapped up. Yes. Oh, she's so cute. Okay. Okay, wrapping her up. Now, this is her all wrapped up. She's so cute and little. Okay, so that was baby Chicken Pickle taking a bath. I'm back, and if you enjoy Neva Peppa's World, comment down below, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, tell me in the comments below. Bye.